E-business. The term e-business, that is electronic business, derived from email and e-commerce. E-business is the administration of conducting business via internet. This would include the buying and selling of goods and services along with providing technical or customer support through internet. The concept of e-business emerged when IBM coined the term in the late 90s. The purpose was to provide buyers a platform on internet to buy and sell goods. Scope of e-business. The scope of e-business is not restricted to online shopping. It also includes online stock, transactions and use of softwares. Almost all types of business functions such as production, finance, marketing and personal administration as well as managerial activities such as planning, organizing and controlling can be carried out over computer networks. Various business and payment apps popularly used in e-business transactions are PhonePe, Google Pay, Swiggy, Zomato, Ola, Uber, Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Scope of e-business. Point number 1. Business to business, that is B2B. Point number 2. Business to customer, that is B2C. Point number 3. Consumer to business, that is C2B. Point number 4. Consumer to consumer, that is C2C. Point number 5. Business to administration, that is B2A. Point number 6. Consumer to administration, that is C2A. Scope of e-business. Point number 1. Business to business, that is B2B. In this form, the buyers and seller are both business entities and do not involve individual customers. Transaction between business firms come under this category. This includes supplying ancillary parts, components to manufacturers, providing value-added services like catering services, and also providing manpower. Point number 2. Business to consumer, that is B2C. Consumer identifies a need and searches for product or services to satisfy the needs. The transaction under B2C are business and consumer. Firms use their site for promotion, product information, reviews about the product, services, and delivery of product at doorsteps, etc. The cost of product and services are kept low and the speed of transaction is faster. Point number 3, consumer to business, that is C2B. In this form, the consumer requests a specific service from business. It enables a buyer to quote their own price for specific goods or services. A consumer posts his requirement with a set budget online and companies review the customer's requirement and bid out the project. Example, taxi services, food delivery services, etc. Point number 4, consumer to consumer, that is C2C. It facilitates online transaction of goods and services between two people. It involves electronically facilitated transaction between consumers through third party. A consumer posts an item for sale and other consumer bid to purchase it. Example, OLX, eBay, etc. Point number 5, business to administrator, that is B2A. This part of e-commerce encompasses all transactions conducted online between business and public administration. For example, getting permits, registration of companies, payment of taxes, etc. Point number 6, consumer to administrator, that is C2A. The consumer to administration model encompasses all electronic transactions conducted between individuals and public administrations. For example, getting passports, Aadhaar cards, licenses, etc.